Hello, my name is Lakshmi Sreeram. I am a faculty in the Performing and Visual Arts Division of the School of Arts and Sciences of Ahmedabad University. I am here to give you a brief introduction to the course titled Khayal for Beginners. The course code is MUS 106. If you love singing and music, this course may be for you. You have surely heard of words like raga, tala, alap, etc. You or your friends might have watched the popular series Bandish Bandits, which depicts and draws upon the world of Khayal music. Khayal for Beginners is a course that will introduce you to the practice of raga, tala and bandish or composition as performed in Khayal, which is a highly sophisticated performance tradition. Raga is a brilliant musical contribution of India and a precious cultural legacy. Music made and heard in our country is still largely and very often based on ragas. For instance, the popular song Ye Moha Moha Ke Dhage is predominantly set in the rag Yaman, and the Ghumar song of Padmavat is set in the rag Vrindavani Sarang. This course is an elective for Integrated Arts major, it's an elective for Integrated Arts minor, and it can also count as a PVA-GER. Therefore, it can be taken by anyone in the university, any student who can sing at a basic level. What is Khayal? Khayal is a prominent musical genre identified as a classical or art music tradition of North India. It is a musical form that allows for a great deal of improvisation around short but beautiful compositions referred to as bandishes. A bandish is set in a rag and a tal, and the idea of the Khayal presentation is to explore the rag using several strategies such as alap, bolbant, taan, etc. This course is practice based. It's mostly about practice of music with a small bit of theoretical content that is included only to the extent that it is necessary to contextualize the practice and understand it. In this course, what will you learn in this course? You will learn a few important and widely heard and performed ragas such as Yaman, Bhoop, Vrindavani Sarang, Bhairav, etc. You will learn compositions, the basics of the structure of the rag and tal, and improvisatory elements such as alap. But above all, you will learn to sing. The course will train your voice to hold a pitch steadily, to sing a phrase mindfully and attempt fast runs. Not only will this course introduce you to the beautiful colors of ragas, it will also help you sing better and introduce you to basic exercises to train the voice. And the course will also give you a hands-on understanding of music in general, so that you will relate in a more meaningful way to the music that you love. Sessions will be conducted by the instructor singing and having students repeat. Students will be expected to sing in a group and also individually. Listening to your peers and past masters and present masters is an important pedagogical aspect, and there will be listening sessions accompanied by discussions. Students who wish to enroll must be able to sing. There will be an audition to ensure basic singing skills. So, I invite you to look at this course if you want to enter the world of raga and tala as practiced in Khayal. If you want to understand what raga and tala are, appreciate how compositions express musical ideas, or just sing better and understand what happens in music, how music is created by bringing together notes, phrases, rhythm and melody. Khayal is an intense and sophisticated musical form, and this course will help you gain a glimpse into its practice to enable you to appreciate its beauty and the glory of music in general.